Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Don't forget, on X today we have of course a Solana updated already with a 2-minute quick updates. Don't mess it out, and don't forget also to follow. And starting on the weekly chart here for the all-time history for XRP, we are looking of course at the following scenario for bullish and bearish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside, finishing wave A or wave 1. After both case scenario, you have an ABC toward the downside. For a W, you have an ABC for the X, and of course a triangle here for your wave Y. With this wave Y, you have finished a wave 2 here, or you have finished a wave B at the same time. So basically what we are looking at for is an ABC toward the upside here as an A, B, and a C, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation for higher prices. As you can see, the bullish scenario has started already, and we are looking at an impulse 1, 2, 3 currently ranging for a wave 4, still looking for one more leg as a wave 5 for a wave 1. And then of course moving toward the downside for a wave 2 potentially. Now of course, if we move inside it, we can see that we have a range so far correctively here. Nothing is impulsive, meaning of course, even if we move a little bit for lower, it doesn't mean that we are moving impulsively. It might be a little bit, of course, much more bearish. It can transform to something else here. Can be an ABC, of course, finishing in an ending diagonal as well. Very possible as an A, 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, highest possibility right now still, of course, ranging inside this area, which is the following scenario where you have a W, X, and a Y. This wave Y is also a triangle, since XRP of course loves triangles, and we're looking of course for this blue box to hit of course in between the 1.38, 1.618, which is very close for our main blue box as well for the daily here. If we move a little bit deeper here, we can see of course after this 3 ways down, 3 ways up for the X, you have an A, B, C, D, and an E toward the downside. Now your wave D of course is still unfolding potentially as an A, B, and a C of course to finish this wave D. Your wave B here is an expanding flat. As you can see, we have 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially to finish. As you can see, we have done so far a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 maybe here, and then 4, 5. So it might be finishing exactly inside this blue box for an extended wave 5 here. Your wave 5 is 1, 2, 3. You would like to see a wave 4 and a 5 still, unless of course we drop even lower. If we drop even lower, you have to expect of course something else might be unfolding. However, to watch this of course, you would like to see of course the diagonal that we spoke about it, that it might be unfolding as a big 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so this is also a possibility that it might be for this ending diagonal. Since of course you are looking still for a wave 3 and then looking therefore for a wave 4 and a 5. So basically what I mean here is that you are looking for this zigzag, of course, in another correction, and you're looking for another zigzag toward the downside for a wave 3. However, in this scenario, it is a little bit a far possibility that because, of course, the zigzag structure here inside your wave 3. Your wave 3 has to be, of course, an impulse, correction, and an impulse, giving, of course, lower possibility for this scenario, higher possibility still, of course, for the wave D, and potentially that we might drop even 1.618 is very possible. If broken, therefore we have to think about something else. However, if we are moving impulsively 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, we don't have any other option, of course, rather than taking, of course, this as a possible A, and then A, B, C for your wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning impulse, big correction, impulse for your wave 3, if this happens. So yeah, basically to watch, of course, the 1.618, if we overshoot it and we still see, of course, continuation for lower, Therefore, we have to definitely go for a wave 3 in an ending diagonal. So we're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. Let's take a look also at the KGT for XRP. So on the KGT, on the 5-minute chart, we can see clearly that we have invalidation of the bullish signals here. You have, of course, lower price and lower CVDs, no divergence, meaning, of course, looking for lower under the pressure of these bearish signals in convergence with the price action, meaning we're still looking for lower even. And if we move to the 15-minute chart, so because this was already invalidated, here we go. On the 15-minute chart, of course, we can see much better view. We can see, of course, a divergence for the price action here, meaning, of course, once you finish this structure, you might have a push towards the upside one more time again. Yeah, so basically we want to finish this structure as an A, B, and a C. Potentially, if the wave C here is just like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, so very possible even to get this scenario, like an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then moving towards the upside, even overshooting a little bit the 1.618. Yep, so these are the scenarios for the XRP. We're gonna see which one is gonna unfold. Don't forget that we are still a little bit corrective here, but looking for a little bit lower, and then potentially, of course, finishing a wave D, moving down for a wave E, and then, of course, continuation for higher prices later on in case we are still bullish. Don't forget, on X today, we have, of course, a Solana updated already with a 2-minute quick updates. Don't miss it out, and don't forget also to follow. Don't forget, on X today, we have, of course, a Solana updated already with a 2-minute quick updates. Don't miss it out, and don't forget also to follow, because we're gonna update so much, especially that I'm traveling soon in 2 days, and of course, maybe I'm gonna use X for some updates, which is much more quicker and easier than making videos. And that was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.